Seeing your CPA once a year isn't accounting, but actually damage control. And most business owners don't realize how much that's costing them until it's too late to do anything about it. At Gift CPAs, we work with small and mid-sized businesses across central Pennsylvania. Today, let's talk about the difference between reactive accounting and proactive accounting, because that gap could be worth thousands of dollars to your bottom line. The once-a-year cycle looks like this. You spend the first few months of the year chasing down documents, you hand everything off, you get a number, you either write a check or wait for a refund, then your accountant goes quiet until next spring. By the time that the tax number lands on your desk, the year is already done. The decisions were made, the money was spent, and the opportunities, they passed. That's what you would call reactive accounting, and it's the most expensive way to manage your finances. Meanwhile, proactive accounting works differently because your CPA stays engaged with your business throughout the year, not just at the finish line. They know your numbers, and they catch problems early to help you make decisions with the full financial picture in front of you. That means conversations like, hey, your profit is up this quarter. Let's adjust your estimated payments now before it becomes a tax bill later. Or that equipment purchase makes sense this year. Here's why the timing works in your favor. Rather than a tax prep, your CPA implements an actual tax strategy. And strategy only works before the deadline, not after. Now let's talk about how much the once-a-year model could cost you. Mid-year planning adjustments that could lower your bill are gone because no one was watching. Deductions with timing requirements are missed because the window closed before anyone flagged it. Cash flow warning signs are ignored because your books weren't being reviewed until April. At this point, major business decisions are made without a proper financial context. It's now relying on gut feeling instead of real numbers. The great news is that none of that is actually unavoidable. It's just what happens when your accounting relationship only activates once a year. What should you do then to avoid this? Your CPA should not be someone you hand documents to. They should be someone who helps you run your business better. Every single month, your books tell a story like revenue trends, expense patterns, and cash flow movement. It's important that this story is updated every month, and someone should be reading it with you. That's the model Gift CPAs is built on. Our fixed-fee monthly service plans give you consistent access to your accounting team throughout the year. We make sure you know what you're paying for, what's happening in your business, and you stop losing ground simply because no one was paying attention between tax seasons. Our team serves businesses across central Pennsylvania with offices in Harrisburg, Lancaster, Mechanicsburg, and Myerstown. Wherever you're running your business, we're ready to be in your corner year-round. Tax season is not the time to start thinking about your taxes. Contact Gift CPAs today and let's build an accounting relationship that truly works for your business.